Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the script error on your Windows. So this is for both the Windows 10 and Windows 11. The process is just the same. So let's go quick into it. In the Windows search bar, type Internet Options. Then you have to click on Internet Options under the Best Match. Now the Internet properties will be up, which is the General Security, Privacy, Content, Connections, Programs, and the Advanced tab. Simply go to the Advanced. Then here you'll find this option under Browsing, Disable Script Debugging. If this is unchecked, just simply check this box for Disable Script Debugging. Then you have to click on Apply. And before you can click on OK, go to the General tab. Here you'll find browsing history, click on delete. Then here just simply check this box, download history, then you have to click on delete. And then that will be deleted. Then you have to click on apply and click on OK. And after that, you just need to simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.